Revel in the air. Revel.
With umbrella. Oh, oh, so.
I see your tracks.
We're headed to the summit of Gulugod Baboy here in Batangas. Gulugod Baboy, Gulugod means spine, Baboy means pig. So it's pig's spine. As you'll see, it's a rolling hill, so it looks like a spine. It's an easy climb. Leisure hikers go here. Weekends, considered a moderate climb. Formal rating is 2, level 2. So even kids can go here. If you have kids who want to start out hiking, this is a good place to be. Starts out on the road first, then eventually trail. You can hire a guide if you want to, especially if it's your first time.
But I'll leave you alone and sleep in this lonely cave.
Going back to the places you've been also gives you memories of what you had back then and what it signifies. And definitely part of that memory are those people you have met and what they have left behind. Some of them inspired us to expand our comfort zones by practicing to do things over and over again, to work through our fears until they are just not scary anymore. You might fall off a cliff, get run over, you might get hit by lightning. I mean, who knows? Each day, there's a chance you might not make it, and there's nothing wrong with that. Every living being on Earth is facing that same existential rift. No matter the risks we take, we always consider the end to be too soon. Even though in life, more than anything else, quality should be more important than quantity.
Subiendo pa' abajo, bajando pa' arriba, perdiendo imperdibles que tú no querías, que a gusto en tu colchón, bañado en sudor. ¡Vámonos, vámonos! Me encuentro a la luna que estaba dormida, estas no son horas, pregúntale al día qué vamos a hacer hoy, pa' darle color. ¡Hey, chipirón! Todos los días sale el sol, chipirón. Todos los días sale el sol, chipirón. Todos los días sale el sol. Todos los días sale el sol, chipirón. Todos los días sale el sol, chipirón. Todos los días sale el sol.
La pegatina aquí comiendo chipirones con los pongos botracos, señores. Ajá. Otra tapita más,
Soñando en tus bragas, perdiendo la vida, cruzando fronteras que no eran prohibidas. Hagamos el amor, fluyamos tú y yo. Que noche más corta, que